Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to break down something super important, iOS app development. By the end of this video you will understand what iOS is, how it started and why developers love building for it. In this video we will going to cover what is iOS, history of iOS, iOS ecosystem, features of iOS, why iOS development, and tools for iOS development. Before we jump into iOS, let's first understand what is an operating system or OS. OS is basically the software that control how your phone or computer work. It manages the apps, memory, battery, and even how your screen react to touch. Some example: Windows on PC, macOS for Macs, Android on smartphones, and iOS. So, what is iOS? iOS is a Apple mobile operating system. It runs on devices like iPhones, iPads, and the iPod Touch. iOS controls everything you can see and what on your iPhone. Opening and closing the apps and sending messages and browsing the webs, taking photos and much more, etc. And it is designed for to be just a fast and secure and user friendly. All right, let's see how iOS has grown over the year. iOS was first released in 2007, the first iPhone. It was originally called iPhone OS. It was created under the leadership of Steve Jobs. 2007 in iPhone OS one released with first iPhone. 2008 App Store launched. 2010 renamed to iOS. 2013 it is the iOS 7. 2017 iOS 7 brought ARKit and the Files app. 2020 iOS 14 added widget on the home screen. 2022 iOS 16 introduced a lock screen customization, and today we see iOS integration with AI, AR, and even Apple Vision Pro. Now iOS doesn't work alone. It is a part of the bigger Apple, like a hardware and software service integration and developer ecosystem. In hardware, just I will say iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV, Mac. Software and services: iCloud, Apple Store, Apple Music, FaceTime, and iMessage. Integrations: AirDrop and continuity. Uh, Developer ecosystem like a Swift UI, Xcode, TestFlight, frameworks, etc. Next, we will see a features of iOS. User interface, friendly user interface. And next, App Store and good secure. Strong security and privacy, it's like Face ID, end-to-end encryption, optimized performance with the Apple chip. Then regular software updates, exclusive feature like a Siri, iMessage, AirDrop, etc. Now you might be asking, why should I learn iOS development? Here, here is why. The App Store is fully of millions of iOS apps, and it's still is growing. iPhone users are known to be spend more on apps compared to Android users. iOS developers is high demand and often earn high salary. Tools for iOS development. To build iOS apps, you will use tools like Xcode, Shift, and Objective-C for programming language, and Shift UI and UI Kit, UI Frameworks. Next, TestPlate is for testing purpose. All right, that's it for today. Next time we will start learning Shift and set up the Xcode so you can build your first app. If you enjoy this video, hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you so much. See you soon.